School can be boring. Learning a completely new language in a place you already think is boring is even more boring. Here's my proposal as to why constructed languages should be introduced in school curriculums for foreign language classes, or at least experimented with. Many constructed languages are designed to be simple and regular in the grammar, which can make them useful for teaching language structure and grammar concepts to students. For example, Esperanto is designed to have a simple and regular grammar, which makes it easy for students to learn and use. Also, constructed languages can be used to help students build their vocabulary in a new language. For example, a constructed language such as Klingon can be used to teach vocabulary related to science fiction and fantasy. Some constructed languages such as Esperanto, Klingon, or Dokibona have a large community of speakers, and learning these languages can provide students with an immersive experience in a new language and culture. Some constructed languages such as Esperanto are specifically designed to be easy to learn and understand. They can be used to teach a second language, as they can provide a bridge to learning other languages. Constructed languages can also be used to enhance students' creativity by encouraging them to think about language in new ways, and to explore the possibility of language creation. The fact they can create their own language to communicate with just their friends might be fascinating enough for students, and they might start making their own one if they are interested. Using constructed languages in the classroom can help students develop critical thinking skills by encouraging them to analyze and evaluate language in new ways, especially when most conlangs have a specific purpose, like easy international communication, logic, or just plain fun or joking around. Overall, the use of constructed languages in language learning and teaching can provide students with a unique and engaging experience, help them develop language skills, and expose them to new cultures and ways of thinking about language. Also, thanks for 200 subscribers. Let's get to 1K by the end of this year. It's already off to a great start. Thanks for watching.